Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best jump rope on Amazon available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Skills Jump Rope. You can enjoy the smooth rotation of the steel rod and ball bearing system, slim profile ergonomic handles, and a coated rope mounted at a wrist-saving 90-degree angle. It comes with its steel rod and ball bearing system for smoother rotation. This high-performance jump rope adds intensity to training and builds endurance. A coated low-kink customizable length cord and right angle mount enables proper wrist and arm positioning. At number 6 we have Amazon Basics Jump Rope. It has speed jump rope for quickly integrating high-intensity cardio training into any workout. You can increases the heart rate, burns calories, enhances coordination and tones legs, glutes, shoulders, arms and core. It is ideal for wrestlers, boxers and mixed martial artists. Length can be easily adjusted to accommodate different users. At number 5 we have Proud Panda Jump Rope. This jump rope comes with high-quality fabrics, exquisite workmanship, simple and fashionable design, as well as fresh color choices which will make you happy and enjoyable when rope skipping. It is twice as effective as ordinary skipping rope for the advantages and adjustable speed. It is firmer than skipping rope with rollers, softer than steel wire rope and more durable than hemp rope. The ergonomically designed handle which wrapped in thick silicone can make you feel soft and comfortable. At number 4 we have Amazon Basics Jump Rope. You can speed jump rope for quickly integrating high-intensity cardio training into any workout. It is lightweight, extremely durable aluminum handles with a foam grip for a comfortable hold, sleek black color. You can increases the heart rate, burns calories, enhances coordination and tones legs, glutes, shoulders, arms and core. At number 3 we have Isla Sports Jump Rope. This lightweight design and comfort foam handles reduce strain on your hands. That's allowing you to burn calories and get in a great workout skipping or jumping without unnecessary discomfort. This jump ropes are appropriate for men and women, for adults and kids, and for almost any workout. Plus they're easy to adjust. At number 2 we have Daigle ball bearing system. Avoids the twisting, winding or bending like other fitness ropes. It ensures stable and relaxed rotation as our skipping rope can bear heavy load, which brings your perfect exercise of skipping rope. Also provides the best fluency for elite fitness professionals. This exercise skipping rope can shape your cardio, endurance, stamina and speed, while improving the muscle tension of your whole body. At number 1 we have Tay-Rich Jump Rope. This weighted jump rope is perfect for speed work. It is engineered with premium steel speed ball bearings for efficient rope acceleration, while making the rope stable as you up your reps. Make this a great rope whether you're a beginner or a seasoned skipper. It comes with the cordless feature. You're able to turn your home into a gym and take your workout on the go. The jump rope is a great piece of gear to have on hand to get in some extra cardio without taking up a ton of spaces. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best jump rope on Amazon for your need.